Blockchain-based smart contracts are replacing how agreements are reached and how value is exchanged. Bureaucracies and middlemen are now being displaced by software that runs on a decentralized worldwide computer. This software executes agreements and payments for everything from rockets to rental properties as fast as your phone can send a text message from Arkansas to Zimbabwe. With such massive benefits, why haven't most people used or even heard of smart contracts? Because the tools available to create smart contracts today are only usable by trained engineers. So only the most cutting-edge organizations can afford to develop blockchain smart contracts. Spreadbot makes everything way easier. Spreadbot is able to communicate with smart contracts through ordinary Excel spreadsheets. This expands the circle of developers who work on blockchain from around 100,000 blockchain engineers to more than 750 million Excel users. Now, anyone able to access and read Excel files can become a blockchain smart contract developer.